What's up, guys? It's Matt. Jeff is busy doing some work, and I'm over here at the shop, and we're gonna give you a little update on the Apache. So I think the last video you seen us doing some valve seals. Well, now we got some different wheels on the truck. These are a little better than those 20s. We got a new steering column in the truck. It's one of the I Did It's tilt. And we took the front end off. So whenever the previous owner, whenever they went to mount it to the frame, the whole front end clip, they didn't do the best job. So Jeff and I are gonna try to fix that up. We're also gonna, since the motor's off, or since the motor's out, and since the front clip is off, we're working on this firewall a lot. We filled a bunch of the holes in here. There was a bunch of crazy stuff. Just didn't really look very good. And filled some more holes here. And then we're gonna fix where the steering column comes through. It's kind of ghetto. We're gonna put some mounts back on that too. So yeah, just an update. What's up, guys and girls? It's Matt again. Jeff is still working. Hot as hell out, and the guy doesn't know when to stop. But I'm gonna give you a quick little update on the Apache. We still have the front end here, still there, but the shop is clean-ish. So Jeff was nice enough to move the Thunderbird out of the way that was on the lift, getting the big block. And today I've been working mostly on painting, prepping and painting, more prepping, more painting. So this is the status of the Apache right now. It's starting to look a little better. I mean, it's not a $1 million truck, so I'm not treating it like a $1 million truck. It's getting some rattle can, you know what I mean? Next, we're gonna be putting the motor in. I got some steering column parts, putting the brake booster back together, and then we're going to be working on the transmission, throwing that in, drive shaft, all that good stuff. And like I said, Jeff was nice enough to move Big Blue out there. Luckily it's not raining today, so but just wanted to give you guys an update, and hopefully this video will be interesting like the other ones. Jeff's pretty good at that stuff. So another side shot. Not bad, not bad.
Okay, we're putting the motor in Matt's Apache. Ready, getting ready for power tour. You ready?
I'm ready.
You want to drop it some?
Yeah.
Drop that thing down just a little. I like it. I like it.
What's that power steering?
We're moving some stuff around. I had him take all the angle out of that, so we probably gonna have to put all the angle back in it. After looking at that cross member that we put in the front.
What do you need? Back?
Roll in. You gotta, you don't have to kick it. Come on in. Alright, hold on, we're molesting the firewall. We don't want to molest the firewall. Come on down. Okay, hold it. Up. No, I think we're okay. We're okay. I think we're gonna have to put the angle back in this sucker. A little angle back in there.
Ready?
Yeah. Go for it.
Wheel this, you know? Cooperate. Ready?
Yeah. Hold on. See, Matt just fucking goes up. It's all or nothing with Matt.
This flat
All
spot on
or
the
nothing.
wheel.
Drop that shit down. It's a flat spot on the wheel.
You either want it sent or you don't want it sent.
Yeah,
Pick one.
That's where we're at. We didn't have them both.
Hold on.
Now let's hold on.
Hold on.
We were sending it.
Whoa, Nelly. Whoa.
Hey, that might do it. That might do it.
Lower?
Come on down, yeah. All right. beat up the firewall and everything.
Oh, the training.
Why did this fucking thing have to move? Yeah.
Up.
No, we don't want to go up anymore. We want to go down.
Sit in the back of the train.
Oh, no.
Let me go with this. This motor mount right now.
Jack it up a little bit.
The train.
Motor. Yeah. Good.
There we go. There we go.
You got it.
Yeah.
You got to drop down a little much more. I'm still caught. You gotta go back. Here's your side. You want a bolt?
I got one.
Go ahead. I can't see what.
There's the light.
I don't think it's in the mount right.
Yeah, they have those little tabs on them.
Yeah, see it's catching the top of the tab. Jack it up. It's like there's rubber in the hole. Is there rubber in that hole?
Shouldn't be.
I think that's what it is. Lower down a little bit. That's what it is. No, it needs to be threaded in.
Oh.
There's rubber in the hole. Thanks.
Mine went right through. But, you know, cheap Chinese stuff.
The hole is lined up.
You want to rub them out? I can't see right there.
Man, I just can't get it going. Seems like it's at an angle. Like the transmission needs to go left or right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
I'll make
talking
it
about?
over
It's
there.
not in the center of the I think the triangle is not centered in the truck.
Mm-hmm.
It's off to one side.
Let's unhook this motor. You know what I mean? And then I can get under there and wiggle. What? More some?
See, that should be falling in. I mean, it's in. We'll muscle it the rest of the way.
Yeah, she's in. It's just...
Let's take this shit off here. Well, this math motor stabbed in. Another fight.
Everything's been a fight. Everything.
This thing has been a fight. It's been a fight. Oh, now they're playing around. We can just spin that in with the gun. Get a swivel and spin it in. So this side's lined up. I think there's rubber in the hole from the mount. Not gonna keep struggling with that. We're gonna get her done
Got
and
it.
zip it in. Okay. We got it. Looking at it back, sure. Well, there it is, guys. Huh? Look at that. Want the nut? Okay, guys. There's our motor stabbed in. We're what's the matter?
Checking the fuel pump.
Is it really? That's got to be the wrong bolt then. I wonder if they're crossed from one side to the other.
They were the same length.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. We're going to leave you
We'll
on
deal
that.
with that later, yeah.
We're going to leave you on that note.
Hey, where's the zippity doo?
We got her set in there.